This video will show how to install your plow that comes with your T-Rex. Make sure that the holes that are on the plow are lined up with the holes that are on the frame of the T-Rex, and using the nuts and bolts that come with it. And like, do be careful when around the engine if we're just using it, as it will get hot from just being used. Next, you want to tighten the bolts with a 9/16 size wrench and socket wrench. Next thing you want to do when installing the plow is hooking up the winch onto the spot used to raise and lower the plow. And what we'll do is we'll pull this notch right here and give it a little turn, and the winch should be loose enough to pull so that it would reach towards this hole. Make sure you don't pull too much so that not too much of the wire is being pulled out. And once you're done with that, be sure to put the winch back in its place, so you'll be able to control it with the remote that's included with the radio.